Answer the question. It's very simple. The trouble with you is you don't listen. Who's the father of psychology?
Ma'am, clue.
Clue, what is this, a quiz show? Quiet!
Ma'am, father. Father of psychology. Ma'am is married.
How could he be a father if he's not married?
Therefore, ma'am, to the first wife or the second wife,
What
father.
do you mean first wife, first wife? Huh? Sit down. Miss Villarante is the father of psychology?
Aristotle, ma'am.
Good. You see, she knows the answer. Mas maganda pa siya sa'yo. Yan ang nga ba sinasabi ko sa inyo eh. Class, you should realize, you should listen to the teacher. Listen to the lecture. What do you think I'm doing here? Facing a blank wall? Hala, who's the father of psychology?
Ma'am, hindi ko po narinig eh.
Hindi mo. Kasi ang haba-haba ng buhok mo eh.
Nervous po ako sa inyo eh.
Bakit ka nininervous? Nakakatakot ba ako?